the existing 20% duties on all Chinese imports to the United States, while the European Union gets 20%. The Philippines made its way to Trump's list, too, and we're getting 17% reciprocal tariffs. So Americans will have to pay 17% more on goods we export to the U.S. All 10 ASEAN economies are high on Trump's list. This is not the first time that Trump erected U.S. trade barriers.
Ay grabe ka. Triggered ako doon.
Hahaha, sorry. Pero speaking of alerts, dapat alerto din tayo sa mga scam na nagsasamantala sa ganitong issue.
Oo nga. Baka may biglang magbenta ng anti-tariff investment scheme na wala namang legit na business model.
Tama. As in, ngayon palang mag-invest na tayo sa mga imported from Philippines products. Pakulo lang.
Experts say that the increase in tariffs could lead to price hikes in a